Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Overflow. So in this video, we will see that how can we install this complete project in our system. And guys, you can use this travel and tourist website for your project for the final year of your college, okay? Or for the internship or for resume, you can use this project, okay? And guys, let me tell you the important thing. If you are a beginner to programming or if you don't know how can we run this projects and all those things, how can we connect the backend databases and all those things, so don't worry guys, in this video I will just do all the things from the scratch level, from the basic level, so you will not face any type of errors, okay? And if you are facing still any errors, then you can just directly connect with me over Instagram, okay? So let's get started and let me give you a quick overview about this project, okay? So this is a basically a tourist website where tourists can come and book their hotels, flights or train tickets, okay? So this is the simple slider we have given, and this is a home page basically, and this is the navigation bar where we have this about us page. You can see we have written the dummy text here, and this is your login page where user can log in or sign up. And after that we have simple this contact us page, okay? This is just a simple thing, okay? But whenever you will log in, then you will see the magic, okay? And you can see what you like to book today, okay? So here in our website we have put hotels, flights and trains, okay? And you can see on the hover they are just a freeze, just moving like this, okay? You can see, okay? So this is just a simple hover effect which is giving the better look, okay? And these are some popular destinations. You can just move to these destinations, and this is simple your footer, okay? And guys, we will also tell you that how can you change these names according to you. If you are just willing to give it to your college or something, then you have to change those things, okay? Suppose that I want to book a flight, okay? So for that it is telling that we would love to book your tickets, but before that you need to sign up, okay? Or log in. Agar tumhara account hai pehle se, so you can just log in. Otherwise you have to sign up, okay? Let's do sign up. Let's give the mail, okay? This is just a simple demo I am giving you, okay? After that we will install the installation, that how can you start the installation of these things and what are the requirements for this project, okay? So don't worry, I am there, okay? So let's sign up. You can see we have successfully signed up. Let's log in and let's give the password. Let's log in, okay? So you can see we are successfully logged in, and take to my dashboard. This is your dashboard. You will see account created on 24 April, and the time will also be shown, alright? Okay, you can see in my laptop the time is same, okay? And these are your bookings, okay? And suppose that you want to book an hotel, so you have to select all these dates and this and number of rooms and search for the hotels. And if you are selecting the number of rooms one, then it will show you these things, okay? And if you are selecting number of rooms two, then it will ask you that how many guests you want, okay? And let's search for the okay, let's select the date, okay? And search for the hotels, and you can see we got all these hotels here, okay? And if you want to book any hotel, you can view the details and you can simply book that, okay? And you can confirm the booking by giving these numbers, okay? So let me give the random number any and CVV, okay? And date is 02/26 and pay now. Can see, okay? This is our project, okay? So that's the simple thing, okay? And that flight booking or something error from the backend, we will solve that error, don't worry for that, okay? So you will get all the source code on my Telegram channel, so it's better to join there, or you can just DM us, okay? So that you can easily get the project, okay? So let's see how can we install this thing, okay? So let's close this. So first of all, there is a prerequisites, okay? So prerequisite for this is you must be having XAMPP installed, okay? So my XAMPP server should be there, okay? After XAMPP, you have to be anyone VS Code or something, any code editor, okay? So suppose that I am just taking VS Code, or you can use the Sublime or anything, okay? You have to be just XAMPP and VS Code, okay? You need only two things, okay? So if you want to download the XAMPP, then you have to simply move to the browser and simply write XAMPP, and it will just open this first website you have to open. And after that you can just download XAMPP for Windows from here, okay? So I have already downloaded, okay? So this is just a simple for XAMPP. And if you want to download the VS Code, then simply search VS Code and simply download the VS Code from here, okay? These are the simple things, okay? So you have to just download these two things, and after downloading the two things, you have to download my code from the description box, or you can just simply DM me, okay, for the code, okay? So after downloading my code and all these things, after installing the XAMPP, XAMPP installation is very simple. You have to simply do next, next, next. Okay, and in the similar way, VS Code installation is also very easy. Next, next, next. Okay, and after downloading all these things, you have to simply install those things. After installing, you have to simply open the XAMPP. Okay, so whenever you will open the XAMPP, then you will get like this. Okay, let me stop this, and we have XAMPP here. So let's open the XAMPP. Okay, so after opening, you will get this XAMPP control panel. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply open this Apache server and MySQL. Okay, so you have to simply click on start, and you have to simply click on start of MySQL. Okay, and you will see green here. Okay, and you can see these are the port numbers for Apache, and this is for MySQL. Okay, and guys, make sure that you don't have to be install that any MySQL workbench or something. Okay, if you will install that, then they will just clash, and you have to change the port number of any one MySQL. Okay, so this is the thing. After just starting these servers, you have to simply open the folder where you have installed the XAMPP. Okay, so my XAMPP is in C drive. Okay, mostly it comes in the C drives. Okay, so I have given the name here WordPress. So in yours, you have to go to the C drive, and you will get their folder for XAMPP. Okay, you have to open that XAMPP folder. Okay, suppose this is my XAMPP folder. Okay, in the XAMPP folder, you will get all these files. Okay, so you don't have to open any file. You have to search for this htdocs. Okay, you have to open the htdocs folder, and after opening this htdocs, you have to paste the project in this. Okay, whatever project I have given to you, you have to just simply copy that project, and you have to paste in this directory in the htdocs folder. You have to paste complete project. Okay, so this is my complete project which I have pasted here. Okay, so you have to just simply copy this and paste in this htdocs folder. Okay, so after copying this here, you have to just simply open this in your any code editor. Okay, so I'm just opening in this in the code editor. Okay, let me tell you that. Okay, so after opening this in the code editor, you have to open to the browser. Okay, after going to the browser, you have to simply type here local host. Okay, so localhost, after typing this simple localhost, simply put enter. Okay, so this will open this XAMPP control panel. Okay, after opening this, you have to simply click on this php myadmin, and we will just create a one simple database. Okay, because without database our website can't run. Okay, where we will store the data. Okay, so it will take some time, because this is just depending on the network. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so let's wait as it is just opening. So you can see you must be open running these Apache and MySQL. Okay, so it will run in your system. Okay, so in the code editor, you have to just simply click this, and you will get all these files here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply locate for this a database here. Okay, so you have to open this DB, and you will get here project meter or SQL. Okay, so you will get this file. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply copy this complete database. Okay, you have to simply control C and control A and control C. Okay, you have to simply copy the complete thing. Okay, this is your SQL queries. You have to simply copy all the things. Okay, so after copying all these things, you have to open this. Okay, so this is your database. Okay, you got this database. So for creating the database, you have to simply click on this new. You have new now, you have to simply click on this new, and here you have to give the database name. Okay, so in the database name, what database name you have to give, you can give any database name, but you have to change in the code as well. Okay, here in the backend as well you have to change, but I have given the same that name. If you will create the database name with my name, then you don't have to do anything. Okay, you don't have to make any changes, your project will run fine. Okay, so let me tell you by which name you have to create the database. Okay, so you have to create the database with the name of this project meter. Okay, project meter. Okay, project meter you have to just simply give. Okay, after creating this project meter, you have to simply click on create. I have already this project meter, so I will just give this as one. Okay, and after that you have to simply click on create, but the name which you have to give is project meter only. Okay, so after creating the database, you have to simply click on this SQL, and you can see we got this project. Now you have to write one query here, use a project meter, use project meter one, and after for running this, you can simply click on this go button. Okay, or you can press control and enter. Okay, you can see now this database will be in used. Okay, this is the refresh button. Okay, this is in used. Okay, so for now what you have to do, you have to simply copy all the queries from our folder which I have provided you, and you have to paste here. Okay, you have to paste all the queries here. Okay, you can see we have this almost 3000 lines of queries. Okay, so after copying here, you have to simply do control a. After doing the control a, you have to simply click on this go button. Okay, so after, whenever you will click on this go button, then it will install all the things here. Okay, let me change the name, and control a, and you have to simply click on this go button. Then it will just run all the queries, and it will create the tables, store the data, all the things in your this project meter database. Okay, and if you're facing any type of error here that no database selected or something, then you can just select the database by just writing the simple command that use database, and your database name project meter one. Okay, I have two databases, that's why maybe we can face error. But if you're facing the error, then we can solve. And if you're facing any error in this place, then you can just directly comment or DM us. Okay, so I will just solve all of your errors. Okay, so it is just loading, and after that it will just do the successful operation. Okay, so after doing this operation, you have to simply open the new tab in the browser, and you have to simply type localhost. Okay, localhost, and you have to type the name of your project. Okay, so suppose that this is your project. Okay, in the htdocs folder, this is my project travel to full. Okay, and whatever name of your folder is there, you have to give that name only. So here my folder name is travel to full, so I will give here travel to full. Okay, localhost forward slash travel travel to full. Okay, you have to type your complete name of that folder where your project is installed. Okay, you have to just simply press enter now. Okay, and you can see your website will come here. Okay, without any error. Okay, you can see my SQL returned an empty result set. Okay, you can see our query is run successfully now, and you can just refresh this, and you can see. Okay, in the project meter one, you got all these tables. Okay, so by this way, you can just simply create the databases and all those things, and you can see your website came here, and you can just simply explore this website and do any operations whatever you want. Okay, we have all the complete things here. Okay, so you can see we have logged in here, and all the things you will get, hotels, trains, or whatever you want, you will get here. Okay, so that's the simple thing which I have to tell you, that how can you do the installation, because some of you are facing some errors. That's why I have just told you that how can we install and all those things. Okay, so you can see we got all these hotels, and everything is working fine. Okay, that flight issue is also resolved now. Okay, so that's all for today, and guys, please subscribe my channel, because I will give you all the projects related to college. Okay, if you want to make any project, okay, then I will help you in that. And if you want me that to create a project for you, then you can just directly connect with me or WhatsApp or on Instagram. All the social links will be given in the description box. Okay, and you can just follow us on Instagram for the better projects. And we have just created the Jarvis, so if you want that Jarvis project, then you can just comment, or you can just directly connect with me. Okay, and I have told you all the things from the basic level, and still if you are facing any type of errors, then feel free to contact us on the Instagram or Telegram. Okay, I have told you all the things from the basic level. Okay, if you are still facing the error, then just comment or just connect with me or anything. Okay, now we will stop these servers. Okay, so that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel.